Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Tiruchirappalli location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for Senior ASP.NET Developer position. It is from Hand-Built Apps located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So coming to qualification details, familiarity with the ASP.NET framework and SQL Server and design or architectural patterns, example Model View Controller MVC, and you should be having above 1 year of development experience using C#.NET, and you should be having knowledge of at least one of the .NET languages, example C#, Visual Basic .NET and HTML5 or CSS3, and you should be familiarity with architecture styles or APIs, REST and RPC, and understanding of Agile methodologies and strong attention to detail, and you should be having excellent troubleshooting and communication skills, and also you should be having knowledge of REST and RPC APIs. So these are the qualification details provided here for this job opening, that is a senior ASP.NET developer position. So interested candidates, if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. It will be provided in the description box. So you can check in the description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for senior specialist position. It is from Indian Institute for Human Settlements located in Tiruchirappalli. So coming to job description, this is a project-based position in the practice team at IIHS based out of Tiruchi. So the incumbent will provide support on governance and engineering and work closely with the team to deliver the following outputs like legal and regulatory review and recommendations to improve urban sanitation at the city level and revisions to the city operative strategy and guidelines for septage management and supporting the ULB and anchoring the preparation of city sanitation plans and programs and detailed project reports for sanitation solutions and identification, assessment and design of urban sanitation solutions and innovations, and adaptation and testing of toolkits for planning and benchmarking performance of sanitation systems, and carrying out pre-feasibility of pilot demonstration projects and assisting in implementation of demonstration projects. So this is about the job description. You please check with the rest of the job description provided here. So interested candidates, if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, that is senior specialist position, so you can visit in the official website link. It will be provided in the description. So if you want to apply for this job also, you can refer in the official website link, so provided in the description. So you can refer in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for area sales manager position. It is from Godrej Consumer Products Limited located in Tiruchirappalli. So coming to key skills required, we should be having excellent interpersonal skills including influencing, negotiation and communication skills to manage effective stakeholder relationships across teams, high on energy and driven, and proven track record of strong execution, systematic planning and commercial acumen and critical thinking. So you must have done postgraduate degree, MBA in sales and marketing from a premier B school, and you should be having 1 to 2 years of experience as an area sales manager or equivalent in FMCG or allied sectors, and you should be having experience of leading a team and influencing senior leadership. So you should be having you should know the language of Tamil, so it will be mandatory. So please check with all the details provided here. So for more detailed information, you can refer in the official website link. It will be provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for senior application support engineer position. It is from Hand-Built Apps located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So coming to required skills, you should be having excellent analytical and problem solving skills and practical experience of Windows desktop, Windows or Linux server, SQL server or other databases, and IaaS or web servers and networking, and ability to work both independently and as a part of a team, and excellent user service skills are required, and you need to understand a software development cycle, and you should be having knowledge and experience of change, incident and release management. So you should be having experience dealing with the support cases or requests via email, telephone and in person, and you should be having excellent written and spoken English skills. Flexibility responsibilities may require occasional evening and weekend work. So you please check with the remaining required skills. So you please go through with the information provided here, and if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. It will be provided in the it will be provided in the description. So you please refer in the description for the website link.
Next one, there is a job opening for React Native mobile developer position. It is from Adaptive BizApp located in Tiruchirappalli. So coming to job description, you must be having above 1 year of experience in React Native based app development. It will be a must, and you must have published at least one major React Native app, and you should be having above 1 year of experience in building consumer facing mobile applications in React or React Native, like layouts, animations, etc. So you should be having strong UX or UI design exposure and experience in making apps work initiatively and with pixel perfect interfaces, and you should be having good understanding of design and architecture patterns, and you must have be having strong focus on app performance, and you should be having some knowledge of any type of mobile app development native like Android or hybrid. So you should be having good experience working in React Native and its supporting architectures. So you should be proficient in JavaScript, CSS, HTML5 and Angular, and you should be having strong working experience with the third party dependencies and debugging dependency conflicts, and ability to quickly learn React Native with the Redux, and ability to write clean code, and familiarity with version control management systems, example GitLab, and knowledge of Scrum development and Agile methodology, and good time management and interpersonal and communication skills, and you should be a team player. So this is about the job description. You please check with all the details provided here, and if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link. It will be provided in the description. So you can refer in the description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for US IT recruiters or senior US IT recruiters. It is from TASA IT Services located in Tiruchirappalli. So for this position, coming to job description, they require 2 to 12 years of experienced candidates in the entire US recruitment life cycle, such as framing keywords, sourcing resumes, screening and interviewing candidates, and any UG or PG, BE or ME and MBA degree candidates with a computer science background is an added advantage. So in this position, you need to work on analyzing the client requirement and understand their expectations through prospect mail, and this could include actively working in frame keywords, prepare the skill matrix, source or screen the candidate resumes through various recruitment methods, coordinate with the team for interviews, extend offers and negotiate compensation, and facilitate the placement of candidates. So in addition, you will be working closely with the team member and make them achieve the targets, and making the team screen and source quality candidates. So they are welcoming you to propose solutions to the organization for the complete enhancement of the process, and you should be a self-starter who can set and accomplish objectives and lead by example, and a talent to inspire and influence the team members to attain anticipated outcomes too. So you can check with the rest of the job description and also skills provided here. So you please check with the job description provided here, and if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link. It will be provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for .NET developer position. It is from Fernbiz Software Private Limited located in Tiruchirappalli. So coming to job description, the ideal candidate will be familiar with the full software design life cycle, and they should have expertise in designing, coding, testing and consistently managing applications, and the candidate should possess excellent coding skills. Next, coming to responsibilities, you need to design, code, test and manage various applications, and you need to collaborate with the engineering team and product team to establish best products and follow outlined standards of quality related to code and systems, and you need to develop automated tests and conduct performance tuning So coming to qualifications details, you should have done bachelor's degree in computer science or relevant field, and you should be having 2 to 3 years of experience working with the CH, .NET and MVC and SQL. So these are the qualification details. So please check with all the details provided here, and if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, so you can visit in the official website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description, so you can refer in the description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for core PHP developer position. It is from PS Digitize, located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So coming to job description, they are going to looking for a PHP developer who is dedicated to the craft, writes code, and they are proud of and can hit the ground running. So this is about the job description. Next, coming to requirement skills, proven software development experience is required in PHP, and you need to understand of open source projects like Joomla, Drupal, Wikis, OS Commerce, etc. And you should be having demonstrable knowledge of web technologies including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Ajax, etc. And the candidate should be having good knowledge of rela- relation, sorry, relational databases, version control tools, and of developing web services. And you should be having experience in common third-party AI APIs like Google, Facebook, eBay, etc. And you should be having passion for best design and coding practices, and a desire to develop new bold ideas, located in Tiruchirappalli location. So you please check with all the skills and about the job description provided here. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link. It will be provided in the description, so you can refer in the official website link in the description. There is a job opening for technical recruiter position. It is from Plans Technologies, located in Tiruchirappalli. So coming to job description, US technical recruiter at Plant Technology. So they are looking for H1 transfer candidates. So please message message them that they are hiring for OPT, CPT, H4 EAD, and the GC EAD consultants. So they are going to sponsor H1B visa contact for H1 transfer and GC filling and OPT hiring. So this is about the job description. So interested candidates about this job opening, you can check in the official website link. It will be provided in the description, so you can refer in the job description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for retail executive position, which is from Whimsical Growers, so located in Srirangam, Tamil Nadu. So coming to job description, you need to focus on client acquisition and expansion of business to generate revenue for the organization, and it is located in Tiruchirappalli location, KK Nagar, Tiruchirappalli. So you please check with the locations provided here. So please check with all the locations. So it will be provided in all the locations provided here. So in order to get the more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. It will be provided in the description in the video. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.